Feel like we've been covering Connor since he was a little kid, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
He's
33.
still young, maybe old to Dom, but not to us.
Right.
No. Yeah, well, it's so exciting. You know, it depends what gear you have at your house.
Yep.
I'm sure, knowing how your dad loves the Buckeyes, you probably got a lot more Ohio State gear than Notre Dame.
Oh,
at your house.
yes, yes.
By
Although we
far.
did tour Notre Dame when Luke was looking for schools,
Right,
and
so you
it
picked
is,
up a-
oh man, is it a beautiful campus.
Yeah.
And it is hard to not root for an Indiana
Right,
team.
right.
So I'm with Connor there.
Yeah,
Just
well-
don't tell my dad.
Those college visits, you end up in the bookstore and you buy the 3/4
Right.
zip or the sweatshirt, then you got this stack of stuff, and then
And a huge
They don't
bill.
go there.
they don't go there, and then like, what do I do with this Clemson sweatshirt?
It's okay. You know, wear it on a cold day like this because
There
you
you
needed
go.
a couple sweatshirts today, right? Kind of a beautiful view over downtown. Clouds on the increase just as the sun is setting, making for some great color out there. But it's cold, 20 degrees right now. Winds are southwest at 6. That direction is important. That southwesterly wind, once it really kicks in overnight, will actually boost the temperatures overnight into early tomorrow. It's feeling like 12 right now, so plenty cold. 20 this afternoon, that's it. We were below 0 as expected, down to 1 below in Indianapolis. The last time that happened was last January, January 21st to be exact. We averaged 3 nights a year below 0. The record is 25. In 1963 and 1977. That is a record I want no part of. Although we do have a couple more below 0 days possible as we get into next week. We'll also be tracking a couple of snow chances. The first one developing up to our northwest near Minneapolis. That brings us a few flurries and snow showers tomorrow. But as I mentioned, those temperatures start to climb. We'll be in the mid-20s at 8 a.m. tomorrow, highs in the low 30s. In terms of accumulations, a coating maybe for us. Could see an inch or so across the far northern and eastern sections of the state. And really from start to finish for our Thursday, there will be clouds. There will be some off and on flurries and snow showers. And if it comes down steady enough to briefly coat the ground and maybe a few slick roads. As we get into Friday, oftentimes when we get warmer air coming back in over the snowpack, we get low clouds and fog. Hoping to see a few peaks of sunshine Friday afternoon. If we do, we get into the upper 30s. If we don't, we'll have to adjust these temperatures down a bit. Regardless, we are going to get a chance to thaw out with temperatures well above freezing, even if we get stuck in the clouds on Friday. Friday night into early Saturday, we track some rain moving in, but what follows, cold air that will quickly change that over to some snow showers by mid-morning Saturday. Some slushy accumulations will be possible, but this weather system doesn't last too long. What will last? The cold. You can see it coming back the early part of next week. 32 tomorrow with some light snow around. Temperatures go above freezing for Friday and Saturday. Take advantage of that chance to thaw out because you can see the early part of next week. We're back into the single digits for highs with morning temperatures, perhaps several in a row below 0.